First of all, save the ground floor, first floor in separate file. Save the AutoCAD file in lowest version so that it import easily. After saving, open AutoCAD file, open Revit. Click on New and choose Architectural Template. After that, set the levels and elevation. Set the unit by seeing my last video. Make sure you have set level right or it will create problems later. After making the levels, go to the ground floor. Let's import the AutoCAD file to Revit. Go to Insert, then Import CAD. Import ground floor file at ground floor level. Then go to first floor. Now import the CAD file. Now make the wall around. Plan by pick line. Now make the wall on ground floor and first floor by same method. Done. In order to know how to make floor, watch my previous videos. Thank you for watching.